What's up, y'all? It's your girl Cindy and welcome back to another video. So today is Juneteenth. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I don't speak English, so please. Anyways, today is Juneteenth. If I'm not saying this right. Anyways, it's hot and I don't want to stay in the house, so let's get ready and spend a day out. Ready? Alright, first I'm gonna do my hair, shower, makeup, then get dressed and step out. Keep in mind my hair is dirty, by the way. I don't know if you guys noticed the necklace. I feel like now I don't need to change my earrings because I wanted to change the earrings. They were feeling too laid back. I want to be laid back, but I want a little, if you get what I mean. So yeah, I think this is cute. Like, I don't need to remove the earrings no more because the necklace is already giving a lot. So I just need one of my statement earring and then I'm good. So it could be either one of those three and we're gonna be good to go. But I'm low-key running towards this one. We'll see. Choice 1, choice 2, and there's choice 3. It's a big flower, but yeah, we'll see. Let's do more makeup first. Turn on Avenue D.
Yeah. No, darling, you're
No, you're not. Oh.
Yes, I am.
In fact, well.
Parce que des machines. Qui va marcher ça? Et passer la voiture.
Who am I calling? Easy now. Period.
It get hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer.
Oh my god, this song again. Remember that song?
Yeah.
I have the video with it. All the money.
It get hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer. The winter don't stand no chances. Hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer.
See?
The winter don't stand
I'll let you, period.
Hotter in the summer.
Front of your back, be careful who you hugging, you dab. Cause these niggas ain't your brother like that. Don't really love you like that.
Use the right 2 lanes to merge onto Grand Army Plaza. Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
Go